Up first this evening, the livelihood of several farmers operating from the Charlemont Farm Scheme in St. Catherine is under threat. Animals are dying and decreased crop yields are just some of the problems. But why? Well, the people point to nearby mining. Kalisha Williams has the details.
Chickens dropping like flies. This one, gasping for breath, died within minutes of this video. When you consider all the factors, this coop located in Charlemont Farm Scheme in St. Catherine is arguably a death trap.
I put in 500 chicken, right? And out of that 500 chicken, I killed 320 chicken.
The owner, Sherry MacDonald, believes the problem lies here, a bauxite mining site meters away.
Before, we used to take up like one or two dead chicken. That's the least. And one finger, if you count and count, say you get 5 dead chicken, that's enough when I just came here, right? But since them come down there, so I'm gone in the hundreds.
Meaning, since the mining activities got closer to her farm. So on any given day, as she tends to her flock, she has to make regular trips here, the burial ground. As for this farmer, Joshua Christian, it's his farm that's being buried by the bauxite mining.
I plant like cassava, coconut tree, jackfruit tree, apple trees, pineapple, and other things like. And
Dig up all them trees.
yeah, just come and push everything away. Push away all of them. And no one come to recompense us.
Based on our checks, bauxite mining company Windalco is responsible for mining activities in the area.
They're extending on the mud pan now. So they need some clay to do the extension. They usually, anything going to happen, they usually come in the community and keep a meeting and let us know. Well, this happening now, they don't come and keep no meeting with no one.
And I assume the meeting would give you a chance to reap the stuff.
Yeah, exactly. They don't give us that chance.
And it's not just the agricultural impact residents are concerned about. They believe the government has allowed the mining to creep up into their backyard.
This too much. Them a dig way out of the scheme. They're actually in the scheme here. This is a road that we drive on. This can take you down by Charlemont High School. It takes you to Linstead. It can take you to Ocherias. So this is like a main route and they're actually here.
But not everyone in the community is speaking up. Some fear that they may lose their job if they speak out against the bauxite company. As you can see behind me, work is underway and some of the same persons working on the site, they live in this community. So while the people are happy for the jobs that mining provide, they simply want to be a part of the conversation.
Those lands are sold to the residents by the National Land Agency. So they are not squatters, they are legal landholders. And I think what should be done is for a meeting to be called of all concerned. And we have a discussion to say what is it that can be done.
We tried to get a response from the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, but we were referred to the Mining and Geology Division. When we contacted the division today, we were asked to send an email and a response will be provided soon. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
In the meantime, we unsuccessfully tried to get an on-camera interview with a representative from Windalco. The company had promised to send a statement on the matter as soon as the information became available. However, up to news time, we did not receive a response.